Okay, today I'm making a really yummy post-workout shake. For peanut butter lovers, this is great. First, what we're going to do is we're going to start with 50 grams of cottage cheese. I weighed it out and I went ahead and put in a Splenda packet just to make it sweet. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it just so when I blend it, there's a little more liquid. So you're going to go ahead now and blend it in the magic bullet till it's smooth. Okay, so now you have your cottage cheese whipped up, and before we go any further, I went ahead and put some crushed ice already in my blender, and then I'm going to add about 6 ounces of water to it. Then I'm going to add my cottage cheese to it, and I'm going to take a scoop of protein powder. Which I'm using chocolate because I like chocolate peanut butter. Okay, then to add more flavor, and of course since we have more carbs to play with post-workout, I'm going to use the powdered peanut butter to make it extra peanut butter-ish, if that's a word. You're going to take 8 grams of this, so I put it on my food scale. Okay, and there's 8 grams right there. And then I'm going to add 4 grams of sugar-free, fat-free butterscotch pudding, just the mix. And this just really changes your consistency. It makes it a lot thicker. And I like butterscotch just because with the peanut butter, it really adds the flavor to it. Okay, now I'm ready to blend it up. Okay, now that I've blended it, what I like to do is I like to take half of my bag of the 100-calorie Planters peanut butter cookie crisps, put it on the bottom of my protein mixer, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour my shake in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on it and freeze it like this. Then after it freezes, like if I go work out, I'll sprinkle the other half of it on top afterwards. You can go ahead and blend it in however you like, and that's it.